Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make veg manchurian and bao buns. Baos originated in China. These are steamed, light, fluffy buns which are mostly accompanied with Chinese appetizers. Usually it's made with yeast, but I have recreated it with an alternative because not many people like yeasty flavor and also sometimes it's not readily available. So here we go. You'll need 2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup curd, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and salt as per taste to knead the flour. This is the web kind of structure. It is we are actually looking for it. It is formed because of the reaction between baking powder, baking soda and curd. Curd is an important ingredient over here. I haven't used any water, but in case if you don't have that much curd, you can use water, a little bit of water. This is after an hour. The web structure should be like this. You have to knead it and leave it for an hour, and after an hour you will find something like this. Knead it again for 2 minutes and roll out a 3-inch diameter roti and half-inch thick. Just fold it in half, press it gently. This is how your baos are going to look. Again, see, this is 3-inch in diameter, half-inch thick. Press it in half and gently do this. And now we are going to steam it. This is my steamer. I have used baking paper so that the water does not seeps in. You can use idli ka sacha similarly by putting baking sheet in that. I'll let it steam for 10 to 12 minutes. After 12 minutes approx it is almost done. I'll take it out now. This is fluffy, soft, billowy, and this is the actual structure of the bao buns we were looking for. Now we are going to make manchurian. I've taken cabbage and carrot over here. I'll be kneading the dough with all-purpose flour and corn flour. The corn flour should be twice the ratio of all-purpose flour. I'm using ginger garlic paste, Szechuan sauce, black pepper and salt for seasoning. It should be a hard dough. It should not be fritter kind of flowy dough. Also, it should not be something like that the veggies are falling off. It should bind all together. This is for sauce. I have taken 2 onions, 1 capsicum and a lot of ginger garlic. You can take as per your requirement. Now we are going to fry the fritters. Heat oil in a kadai. Make 1-inch balls. Fry it on medium to high flame. Let it cook really well because it has flour in it. We don't want the veggies and flour to be uncooked. Also make sure that you are stirring it nicely in between so that it does not burns and doesn't sticks by to the bottom of the kadai. Our balls are ready. Now we are going to prepare the sauce. For sauce, take some oil in kadai, add your ginger garlic, saute it really well. Once it turns golden brown, something like this, add in your capsicum and onion. It will be fragrant, so you'll know that you are done. Saute it on high flame for 1 minute, not more than that. Now start adding your sauces. This is 1 tablespoon Szechuan sauce. You can use as per your taste. Vinegar, I don't like it much, so I'll be adding just a little. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Salt and pepper, of course. Chili sauce, because there's Szechuan sauce, so use accordingly. This is Chinese secret salt. If you don't have it, use Ajinomoto, and this is corn flour slurry. Ajinomoto is a game changer. If you have, please use that. And a little bit of sugar for that glossy look. Let it cook for 1 minute. You can add water to adjust the consistency. Now add in your fritters, give it a good mix. It is to be done on high flame so that the balls don't turn soggy. After 2 minutes you are done. Switch off the flame. Our manchurian is ready. You can eat it as it is, or you can eat it with baos. We are going to prepare a sauce. So I have used mayo and Szechuan sauce over here, and I'm adding cheese jalapeno dip to it. I'm going to give it a good mix, and these are some salad pickles. I've used cucumbers, onions and cabbage. In case you don't like cabbage, you can only use onions and cucumbers. Open your bowl. Apply a thick layer of prepared sauce. Add in your Manchurian. You can crumble the balls and adjust masala accordingly. The Manchurian masala. Garnish it with your salad. You can again spread a layer of that prepared sauce. So your bow buns are ready, and this is how it looks. The final product is here. I really hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed it making it for you. Have a great weekend. Thank you.